Hi, I'm Mike Haduck, and today we're going to see a concrete company actually pour septic tanks. And they form it, and they pour it, and they take them out, and they put them together, and then they take them on a job. So we're going to see the process and how they do it. So here we go. Just oil up the form.
There you go.
Fibers you're using. Now when you're working with a concrete company like this, you gotta mix it according to the directions. Now we have a chart here for a concrete mixing ratio for 4,000 pounds, right? If you go 1 yard, you got to put 1,600 pounds of rock in, 1,450 pounds of sand, and the cement is 611 pounds and 33 to 35 gallons of water for a total of 3050. And the same for 4 yards, it's different, and 2 yards and 5 yards. And that's how they measure the concrete when they're putting it in a truck. The concrete scale, and that's our aggregate. Well, now they're all done with the pouring, and they finished it all. They number all the tanks so they know which one goes where. And now we're going to see them take it off and put them together. So that's it. That's them making a septic tank. They spray that form release on it, and they spray that. That keeps it from sticking to the steel. They also put fibers in it, and you can see that they put rebar on the bottom, you know, for when they're holding it up. And then they vibrate it. They put that vibrator on. They keep moving it around all the sides, and it vibrates all the air out of it. Then they take one half and then they take the other half and they put them together with a seal in the middle. So that's the way they do it. It's a 4,000 pound mix, and they take them in, and it's usually lasts the lifetime of any home. So that's it. That's the way they make concrete septic tanks. I'm Mike Haduck. I'll see you next video.